Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will learn to collect messages that you are receiving in your WhatsApp into a spreadsheet application automatically. So guys, you're thinking, right, why would anyone want this automation? So guys, suppose that you have a customer support team working on WhatsApp to resolve your customers' queries, taking their feedbacks and resolving all kind of grievances, and you want to save the messages that you are receiving from your customers so that you can figure out what are the problems your customers are facing, what are the user stories and the proper feedbacks. So you want to save those messages in a easily accessible place, and that place is Google Sheets. Okay, but guys, there is no connection between WhatsApp and Google Sheets. So here we have designed an automation for you which will connect WhatsApp and Google Sheets, and let me show you how it is going to look like. So this will be the flow of this automation, guys. Here, as and when you receive any message in your WhatsApp, the same message is going to be saved in a row in Google Sheets application automatically. So you need not to manually figure out the details and manually add the messages here. So that is going to help you a lot in saving your time and managing your data properly. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let me show you how this is going to work right now. So guys, before setting up this automation, first of all, you need to have the access of WhatsApp's API. So you need to set up your WhatsApp or Facebook's cloud API setup here in the developer.facebook.com. So from this developer section of Facebook, you need to create an app by clicking on this My Apps button. And here you have to create an app like this. I have created this one, okay? And to set up your whole cloud API, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description. And in that link, we have a video in which we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your Facebook's cloud API or WhatsApp's cloud API. Okay. So after that, you need to come here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect, and you have to set up your free Pabbly Connect account here, and it will take just 2 minutes. And you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow to set up this automation. So to do that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable or relevant name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as WhatsApp to Google Sheets. Okay, right? Just click on create now, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on the trigger and action. So guys, trigger is an event which is going to trigger or starts the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be receiving of any message in a particular WhatsApp number, and the action towards that trigger would be to save the message in a row in Google Sheets here. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application. So here we are going to choose WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, this one. Select WhatsApp Cloud API, and in the trigger event, it will show you this message notification. So it will trigger this workflow when a new message is received. Okay, select this, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with the WhatsApp Cloud API, and after that we are going to capture a response of this webhook connection. Okay, so you need to follow these steps explained under WhatsApp Cloud notification section here. So when you click on this here text, it will forward you, redirect you to the forum page of Pabbly Connect. You can see forum.pabbly.com, and here in the threads you can see we have a video how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, and we have a video on how to generate permanent access token of WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so you need to watch these videos to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API, guys. After that, you can see we have the instructions for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API with the webhook URL. Okay, so here you can see it is showing you to copy the webhook URL first. After that, you need to reach the dashboard of your application that you have created in the Facebook developer section. Okay, then here you have to click on configuration. So let's follow these instructions written here. Okay, so here first of all, copy this webhook URL. Okay, and then I'm going to the developers.facebook.com. Here I have created this app. I am opening it, and here you can see this is my app, and here I have this WhatsApp section. I'm clicking on WhatsApp, and I'm clicking on getting started. So in the getting started page, you will see the phone number ID, the account ID, all the things you need to have in WhatsApp Cloud API is here. Okay, and here you will see on the left hand side panel in the bottom, we have configuration options. So you have to click on configuration. All right, and in the configuration page, you will find this webhooks callback URL field. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your workflow, and here you have to enter the verified token. Okay, so I have already entered one, so I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to edit this callback URL. Okay, so here you have to copy this webhook URL and paste it here in the callback URL field like this. And for the verified token, you will get the verified token from the forum page. This is our forums page, and here you can see in the instructions, paste the webhook URL copied in the callback URL, and this is the verified token it has given us, and we are going to use this only to enter into the verified token field. Okay, just copy this Pabbly _FB_webhook token. Just copy this, paste it here in the verified token field. Just click on verify and save. Okay, and you can see we are verified here. Okay, right, now after that, let's read the instructions again. After that, you have to click on the app dashboard. Then from this configurations only, you have to click on manage. Under webhook section, click on manage. Okay, so let's see. So here in the webhook section only, we have this manage button. Click on manage, and from here you have to subscribe this messages option. Okay, you can read in the instructions. You have to click on subscribe this messages option. Okay, so let me subscribe this. So actually it is already subscribed. Okay, so I have subscribed it again. Now click on done. Okay, now let's read the instructions again. Once you subscribe for the messages event, you can hit the test button to get the test data captured in your workflow. Okay, now you can see in our workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be like this. Here you can see in your developer section, in the webhook section, we have manage button. Click on manage, and after subscribing for the message, we have this test button here. So by clicking on the test button, you can send the test data in your workflow. Okay, so let's check if we got the test data inside our workflow as the response of the webhook connection or not. So you can see now, after clicking on test, we got the data here in this response received section. Okay, so this is the test data. This is a text message. Okay, right. So now let's capture the data in real time, guys. I am going to click on this recapture webhook response. Okay, and I'm going to click on yes, and here you can see in my app here in this setup of API. Let me show you the getting started page. In the getting started page, we have connected this number to WhatsApp's API. Okay, and I'm going to send a message on this WhatsApp account, and we are going to capture the response of that message here in our workflow. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen in real time also. Whenever someone is going to send a message to this number, the data of that message is going to be captured by our workflow automatically, and it will be sent to Google Sheets. Okay, so let me show you how the data is going to be captured here. So this is my WhatsApp account, guys, and here I have saved this number that I have shown you here with this name, Pabbly Office. So I'm going to type a demo message or test message here. So let's say the message is hello Pabbly. Let's say this message is about any query related to any customer. So I'm typing here, I want to automate my business. Please guide me. Okay, so this is a kind of message you can receive. So I'm sending this message here to this number. Okay, now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this message or not. So this is our workflow, guys, and here you can see we have received a message, messages response here, and you can see it is from this person, it is from this number, and the message received is here. You can see in this text body, hello Pabbly, I want to automate my business, please guide me. Okay, so this is how you can capture a message in your workflow. Now what I want to save the data of this message inside my spreadsheet, which is this. And here you can see, let me zoom it a little bit. Here you can see what we are saving. We are saving from name, that means the name of the person from whom we have received the message, from number, and the message, the actual message that we are receiving, we want to save it here. Okay, so to send the data in the spreadsheet, we are going to use this action step, and from here search for Google Sheets application like this, and the action event would be add a new row option. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, and from this window you have to select that Google account by which you have created this sheet. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, and then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account, so just click on continue. Okay, and you can see we are getting connected. All right, so we are now connected, right? And here it is asking to select your spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet is this, the name of the sheet is WhatsApp message. Okay, so in this field when you click, it will show you the list of all the sheets that you have, spreadsheets that you have created in Google Sheet. So from here only you have to select your sheet. My sheet is this one, I'm selecting this. Okay, and after that you can see the sheet's name got selected automatically because we have only one sheet here named as received. Okay, so it got pre-populated here. Now it is asking from name, from number, and the message. So these are nothing but the headers of these of the spreadsheet I have. You can see from name, from number, and the message. And here I'm going to map the data from the first step to get these columns filled automatically inside my spreadsheet. Okay, so we have received the test data here in the first step, so I'm going to map these labels here like this. So in the from name, just click here on this field and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and when you click on it you will see all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only you can find out the name of the profile name of the person, so just map it here. From number you will find it like this is the from number. Okay, and the message, you will find the message in this label. Let me show you in the body, text body label. Okay, just map it here. Okay, now you can check your connection with your spreadsheet by clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new row getting added here with all the data. Let me show you. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. So this is the response we have received. Let's check in our spreadsheet if we got the data, and you can see we got a new row added here automatically with the same data that we have mapped, and this is the same message. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So we are done setting up this automation. So we need to set up this automation only once. After that it is going to run automatically. Let me show you a real time example. Let me send another message here. Hello Pabbly team, please guide me to connect WhatsApp with Google Sheets. So this is a kind of message I want to send. Okay, so I'm sending this message here. You can see the message has been sent. Now let me show you directly in my spreadsheet application if we got the data of this message or not. So this is my spreadsheet, and here you can see we got a new row added with the same data, with the same message that I have sent to this number. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.